I've been having the feeling, as have a lot of you, that I don't belong here, that I'm not supposed to be here. I want out of here. I want to find a way out of here. At the same time, I want answers for who we are. What am I doing here? What are we doing here? Who is God? What's the nature of our reality? And what's going on with the controllers who have all of us under their control, the Illuminati, the elites of the world? And why do we let them control us? Why do we live in a world that's filled with war, perpetual war, starvation, everything repeating over and over and over again in cycles? Even with the people that I meet, it's like meeting people who look different but they end up acting the same, and it's just these repeated cycles over and over and over again throughout life and throughout history. So that led me to thinking how, aside from being online and on YouTube, and I know how some of you are going to take this and you're going to take it all wrong because I'm trying to explain to you my perspective on this. Aside from being on YouTube and online, I feel like I almost don't exist. Like, you all recognize me as real. Out here, I'm invisible. I'm invisible. I see one person, I hardly ever see anyone else. When I do, they usually don't notice I'm there. Even if I go out in public someplace, people usually don't notice I'm there to the point of stepping on me, bumping into me and not even saying excuse me. And it sucks, and it's sad, and it's lonely, because we're all distanced from each other all across the planet, because each of us has been put in a specific place in the middle of nowhere, whether it's a city or country or whatever, to try to reach those who are just completely in the realities they're going to spin out again and again, and they're going to create another apocalypse for themselves in hell.